Napapansin mo ba yung mga banner ads na sumusunod sa'yo habang nagbabrowse ka online? That's the power of display ads, reminding you of a brand hanggang ready ka nang bumili. Hi, I'm Ferlin. Welcome to Ad Alchemy. I'll help you grow your business and your skills through paid media. Ang display ads ay yung mga visual ads na lumalabas sa websites, apps, at kahit sa YouTube. Hindi lang siya tungkol sa sales agad. They're about staying visible and building awareness. Why are display ads important? Una, brand awareness. Kahit hindi pa kilala ang business mo, pwede ka nang makita ng thousands of people daily. Pangalawa, retargeting. Kapag may nag-visit ng website mo pero hindi bumili, pwede mo silang habulin with reminders. Pangatlo, visual storytelling. Since ito ay banners at images, pwede mong ipakita ang personality ng brand mo. Sa madaling salita, display ads keep your brand top of mind kahit hindi pa ready bumili ang customer today. Kaya kung gusto mong makilala agad ang brand mo at makabalik ang mga nag-check ng site mo, display ads are a must. At sa next videos, tuturuan kita kung paano gumawa ng retargeting campaigns step by step. From BPO to paid media executive, this is Ad Alchemy by Ferlin. Let's go smarter with ads.